Eternal companions, exploring the special connection between people and dogs. Pet dogs can be wonderful friends and companions for people of all ages. Here are some reasons why pet dogs make great friends. Unconditional love. Dogs offer unconditional love to their owners. They don't judge, hold grudges, or discriminate based on your flaws. They love you just the way you are. Loyalty. Dogs are incredibly loyal animals. They form strong bonds with their owners and will stick by your side through thick and thin. Companionship. Dogs are social animals and strive on companionship. They enjoy spending time with their owners, whether it's going for walks, playing in the backyard, or simply logging together at home. Emotional support. Dogs have remarkable ability to sense their owners' emotional and provide comfort when needed. They can be a source of emotional support during difficult times. Stress relief. Spending time with a dog has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Simply petting a dog can help lower blood pressure and release feel-good hormones like oxytocin and serotonin. Encourages physical activity. Dogs need regular exercise, which means you will be more likely to stay active when you have a pet dog. Going for walks or playing fetch in the park can be a fun way to get exercise for both you and your furry friend. Teach responsibility. Taking care of pet dog teaches children and adults alike about responsibility, empathy, and compassion. It's a great way to instill important life skills. Entertainment. Dogs have unique personalities and tricks that can be endlessly entertaining. Whether they are chasing their tail, playing with toys, or making funny faces, they never fail to bring joy and laughter into our lives. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.